Hey, I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise, and I'm with this beautiful 21 CX-9 Carbon Edition. And today I'm going to outline or break down everything I would change about this wonderful vehicle. What equipment would I add or take away on this one? So, let's jump in. More car vids. More car vids. Starting up front, you have a beautiful, unique grille. This is actually a new grille for 21, a similar design on the Signature, but just this carbon has the gloss black grille. You see the big Mazda wings there, the Signature wing, and nice chrome effects around the bottom of the bumper. Also, you pick up here sensors and way under there, LED fog lights. So I love all of these features. Of course, a nice big bold emblem there with your radar cruise control and smart brake support. Moving around the side, beautiful 20-inch gloss black wheels. And of course, the polymetal gray, which is the only color available. And as I say that, the sun kind of goes behind the cloud, but it's very beautiful. A gray with a blue, almost a steel gray. So it really just depends on how the light is hitting it, which is one thing I love about this specific color. And the Carbon Edition does have blacked out side mirrors. Also, like every CX-9, these really tie in well with the Carbon Edition. And because you have the aluminum rails up top standard, this chrome surround and chrome over the cladding down here doesn't look near as bad because it's all tied in just right. You also have your chrome badging, chrome accent here, chrome tips on your dual exhaust. And for some reason, every time I see this, Skyactiv G, everything else is getting the turbo stamp, but the CX-9 has not, since they're all turbo. Before I jump inside, let me say that there's really only two things that I would change on this CX-9 Carbon Edition, and it's nothing to do with the outside, it's only what's inside. So we'll jump into that after we take a quick peek under the hood. The beautiful Skyactiv G Turbo with 227 standard horses and 250 with 93 octane or premium fuel. I'm sure some of the 91 available in some parts of the country would get you a increased horsepower as well. You can see that we've got an extra control module here for controlling that turbine, and there's the actual setup back there for the turbo. So do have a little bit of a wider engine cover, modified airflow. You come in through this box here all the way back into that turbo instead of up front on the traditional natural aspirated. Fuses, brake fluid, windshield washer fluid, coolant, everything's easily laid out and seen. And even your dipstick right here, right up top, so you can check all those things really easy so you can keep an eye on that maintenance. 6-speed automatic transmission, a lot of power, a lot of get up and go, and it's good on performance. It's a Mazda, great drive. Let's jump inside and cover the things I would change. My favorite part of the Carbon Edition is this red interior. Of course, it's perforated. You still have some updated or upgraded accents here to tie into all the other chrome trim. Just looks really nice. Nice shine here with chrome outlines, and the red, almost pink cross stitching there is fantastic. And that ties into the steering wheel on this Carbon Edition. Very nice. The two things that I would change are not anything that you see right here. What I would add are two things. Number one, the active driving display. I think this vehicle needs that. And number two would be the navigation. Fortunately, with an accessory, you can add the nav card, which I'm going to do in this vehicle. But the active driving display is something that we would need also. What I do love about this, you do have heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, Also, as we take a peek in the back seat, it's standard with the captain's chairs, which I think is a great addition, and also heated outboard seats back there in the second row. And of course, standard with third row is all CX-9s, and your moonroof is standard. I love the dark headliner contrast here with the interior materials and seats. And you have the big design here, which is really nice for all of your iActive Sense features and all of your information from the vehicle. Of course, this one being all-wheel drive also has your off-road traction assist. So let's crank her up real quickly. I didn't pre-screen the radio here, so let me turn the volume down. And like I said, we don't have navigation, but one thing I can change fairly easy is just pop in this nav card, and it goes right back in here. And both USBs are there for your charging of your phone, Android Auto or CarPlay. Okay, no nav. Quick change with this accessory right here. Pop it in. Let's put it in the right way. Turn it off. Turn it back on. And here we are, loaded up. So now there's only one thing that I would change, and that's that active driving display. So the great thing about this Carbon Edition CX-9 is it's very similar to the Grand Touring. You even have this rear power liftgate that is hands-free. So that plus the sensors in the front and the rear. Also, we didn't talk about this up front, but it is adaptive signature lighting. So the Carbon Edition CX-9 has all the goodies, all the features, save one, and that's the active driving display now that we've added navigation to this vehicle. So if you have any questions or comments about the CX-9 or the Carbon Edition specifically, go ahead and drop them down below, or call or text me at 334-718-0504. I am Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda, and oof, that polymetal gray in the sun, the right amount of chrome reflection there. Beautiful vehicle. I can't wait to see you in yours, the beautiful Mazda.